So basically there's this one villain named Shaw, and he absorbs energy and he can kill anyone with that energy that he gains. And they're all against these soldiers, American soldiers and the Soviet Union, which are pretty much against all the mutants. As you saw there, right there, the red dude, he looked like a devil. He can teleport anywhere and at any time he wants to. And pretty much these are all the good guys. This is Beast that's showing up, and what the clip that I'm about to show you includes him. So as we start, you can see Havoc and Beast going at it against Azazel, and as you can see, he teleports them up, and right now they're falling down. That doesn't mean that the velocity will decrease if they just change directions. So the momentum is pretty much increasing as it's going down, as they're falling down. So right here, they're at the top, making velocity equal to 0. As they keep going down, they increase in velocity and mass stays constant. Okay, so as I said, I found the time, which is 12 seconds, and the acceleration of gravity is 9.8, and so I used this equation in order to find the final velocity. So I multiplied the time times the acceleration, I got 117.6 meters per second. Okay, so now I found the final velocity, which is 117.6, and the mass is the mass of all the 3 people that were together. So that's Beast, Azazel, Havoc, and that added up to be 233 kilograms. Now we can find the momentum right before landing on the boat. And that equaled up to be 27,400.8. Basically, so now that we found the momentum, we can find impulse. Impulse is equal to average force times time. The time is really not the time that it took for them to travel the distance, but it's actually the time of contact with the object. So I estimated it to be about 0.02 seconds, like a really short length of time, and I plugged in the momentum final, which is 27,000 over 0.02, and really that didn't really matter because you have to plug this, you find this equal to F, and F multiplied by T again, which is 0.02, will just give the same answer as before. So it'll be the momentum is equal to the impulse. So I got it to equal 27,400.8 Newton seconds. So the reason that the impulse is equal to that number is because the impulse is supposed to be the change in momentum. But since the momentum at the peak is 0, the impulse would equal the momentum right here. And since the momentum at the bottom of the boat when they collided, it was 0 also because the velocity was 0, and then the final momentum before collision is the impulse.